A very good morning to everyone. Myself, Ankit Kumar, the mentor for so many students in the last 10-11 years. So this video is all about the upcoming preliminary examination on June 27th, 2021. So many of you are worried about the preliminary examination because some of you are affected by haphazard strategies. Some of you are affected by the overburdening of the content. Some of you are worried about the multiple classes and how to complete it. So many of you are still doing the optional paper. So Aspire is having some of the track record in the last 11 years of the journey with the aspirants, which you people can see in our advertisement, which are shortly coming in the Hindu newspaper in the form of leaflets, or on our website. You will click on www.aspireis.com. So Aspire from the last year came out with a very good batch, the PT Tricks batch known as Sanjeevani. It is a prelims performance enhancement program. That means it is for all the students who are struggling in the preliminary examination because somehow their preparation is good, but they are lacking in revision. They are knowing so many things, but they are not in a condition to deduct, which is a wrong option. They are poor in the elimination technique. They are doing the guess, but intelligent guess is not there, and they are doing so much amount of hard work. So here it is, a Sanjeevani batch for all the people which are both time saving and the cost saving, purely conducted by me, your mentor, your director, your master. Anything you want to say, you can say. So what exactly is the strategy? The strategy we are putting on the 21st of, that is a March, that is Sunday. So Sunday everyone is welcome at, that is 2 p.m. Clear? So everybody welcome at, that is the 2 p.m. on 21st of March regarding the 91 days strategy to crack this examination. Under this strategy, we can discuss everything about problems, weakness, what not to do, what would be your strategy, and how to get short success in the upcoming preliminary examination. So our number is 80100 68998. Again, I'm repeating 80100 68998. Under this program, there's a number, you people can send the SMS and book your seat. This batch is offline batch, and we are not putting it for 1000 students or 500 students. It is just for 100 students. Because for us, quality of education and individual mentoring is important. So इस batch के अंदर we just want the same repetition of our 2013 target 50 batch, जहां मैंने 50 लोगों पर फोकस किया था और आज 45 जॉब पे हैं. तो again I want that I can focus upon. So under the Sanjeevani batch, what exactly will be our strategy? Under the Sanjeevani batch, we are prioritizing the whole syllabus under 3 priorities. Under the priority 1, according to me, UPSC after 2017 made the paper little bit analytical. Under this regard, economics minimum provide 20 questions, environment minimum provide 15 questions, science and tech I am talking about minimum 10 questions, and mapping minimum 5 questions. अगर मैं ये करता हूँ, 15 questions are there just in these 4 sections. Now what is the problem? Economics are purely dynamic. You people are reading the traditional sources which are coming in every YouTube channel, and there's a material in the shopkeepers. I don't want to take the name. In the same manner environment, you are having one name on your mouth. Everybody is reading that 200, 300, 400 pages book. So these books are not bad, but UPSC changed their method. They are taking one statement from this material, one statement from current, and one statement applied, or 2 statements applied, and we somehow are not in a condition to capture the language of the UPSC paper. Because throughout our journey, we are doing the practice of various coaching centers and their material. I don't say that these coaching center, question paper, other things are bad, but they're not at par with the UPSC language. So what is the difference between them and us? We are trying to capture the same language because we are teaching you as per the UPSC paper. Even our paper are designed on the line of all the papers which they ask. We just change the statements, or we just change the facts or some data, nothing else. So we are trying to give you the extra edge. So our batch is moving in this manner that 3 to 4 classes I am taking myself, where I can provide the whole revision of economics through my lectures, 3 years of current and small booklets. That economics will be followed by 2 test paper which are designed by me, where you people can come, solve the 2-hour paper and 4-hour discussion. So one discussion is here, second discussion is after the test. Around 1400 topics I can discuss through all the raw. Raw means revise, analyze and write the test. And by this you will get the extra edge. In the whole month of March and 15 days of April, we can complete this 4 section thoroughly. Science and tech is a problem for everybody. And we are making you sure that you will get 70% of your question correct in science and tech, 90% of the question correct in economics, 90% in environment, and 100% in mapping. If you seriously give your only one thing, not fees, commitment. Our fees is just a token amount for our survival. But we are doing that much hard work that you people will realize. If you want to take the evidence, listen the videos of Amit Tolani, listen the video of Vishal Narwade, Vishal Singh. They already said one thing, सर को एक चीज के लिए जरूर ज्वाइन करना, क्रैश कोर्स जो पीटी से पहले होते हैं, पॉलिटी, हिस्ट्री, मैपिंग, एनवायरमेंट, बिकॉज दिस थिंग कैन गिव यू द एक्स्ट्रा एज. और आपको इसमें कुछ नया डिक्टेशन नहीं मिलेगा, लर्निंग नहीं करनी है. जो आप पढ़ चुके हो उसी को मैं और अप्लाइड करके आपको समझाऊंगा, याद कराऊंगा और आपसे टेस्ट लूंगा. तो इन द प्रायोरिटी 1 वी आर डूइंग दिस थिंग, इन द प्रायोरिटी 2 वी आर डूइंग ट्रेडिशनल पॉलिटी, मॉडर्न इंडिया, नॉट एंशिएंट, मॉडर्न इंडिया, इंडिया ईयरबुक एंड कल्चर, दैट इज आर्ट एंड कल्चर. अगर मैं सबको लेता हूं, पॉलिटी कैन मिनिमम प्रोवाइड 10 क्वेश्चन, मॉडर्न इंडिया 10 क्वेश्चन, इंडिया ईयरबुक मिनिमम 10 क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस थिंग आर्ट एंड कल्चर 2 और 3 क्वेश्चन. अगर मैं 30 क्वेश्चन में मैच करता हूं, दैट बोथ स्कोर इज 80, एंड आई एम मेकिंग यू प्रिपेयर फॉर 80 क्वेश्चन, नॉट 20 क्वेश्चन. मेंटली प्रिपेयर होना बहुत जरूरी है. You people are preparing for 100 question. That's why every question you are taking on your ego. And that's why negative marking is very high. You are not knowing that UPSC is just asking the paper from 300 to 350 topics itself. If we are doing the expertise in these 350 topics again and again, and in the class, if you are guiding by our artificial intelligence, as well as the oral test, as well as our test series, and the overall, that is the monitoring of mind, automatically you can realize where to focus more, where to focus less, and you will win. So many, that is the games cannot be win through muscular, that is a part of your body, or the energetic part of your body, or enthusiasm. So many games in this world are winning through this mind, and we are making and prepare your mind. So I hope that everybody can get the advantage of these 2 sessions, Sarthi plus our batches. Our Sarthi batch will start from 22nd of March, 12 p.m. and our first paper of geography and mapping will start from 24th of March. If any type of doubt, please call on 8010068998 or visit our website and call on 24/7 hotline number. Even you can mail me on my personal email ID, that is a.kumar.aias@gmail.com. So Aspire is with all the needy students who really want to qualify this examination without any hypocrisy. We just want your determination, discipline and dedication, which our logo is also providing you in a good manner, and we just want that you can act like a yogic person. This field is yours. उगते हुए सूरज को हर कोई सलाम करता है. जब आपका रिजल्ट आएगा, नंबर आएगा, everybody will see. Don't prove on the daily manner, prove in one thing. In front of your teacher, expose yourself maximum. If we are shedding our blood today, on the day of preliminary examination, we cannot cry with the bloody tears. Clear? So all the very best. I hope so many people can get the advantage of this session, but only one condition, 100 seats are there, which can be served on first come, first served. There's a serve basis. Thank you so much. Good day. Jai Hind.